Join us today as a few friends and I from Canada start from the town of Kasol and we make our way up to the town of Rasol. We're in the Himalayan mountains of India in the state of Himachel Pradesh, and our hike took several hours up, maybe about 5 hours. It was a somber day, sometimes it was raining.
It smells nice.
No, it doesn't smell like anything.
Yeah.
We stopped along the way in cafes to get some nice hot tea.
So many good settlements.
Yeah. Zach ventures alone into the mountains.
And we met some really interesting people along the way.
Oh, they need a telecabin. No?
Huh?
A telecabin.
Oh, it's red hands. Red hands.
Oh, I see.
सक्षम के पर में चलो ऊपर हम बैठेगा स्टे करा शांति करें
And in the bin, yeah, this is the same.
Yeah.
Is that wine? Nice to meet you, bro. Very nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
And you grew up your whole life in this village?
Yes.
Perched on this mountainside above me is this colorful town.
Try that. After.
Oh.
Danger. This place, danger place.
It's getting pretty windy, but I'll try and give you a little 360 tour of the village.
You've on an advertisement for a rave. Like you'd never see the cross.
After the long hike back to Kasol, we went to our favorite Tibetan restaurant to get some nice chow mein, and I love this chow mein.
Like that has a straight back, in fact.
Oh, yeah.
The further you go from Kasol, the nicer it gets.
Well, my mom rented a house there for like a month and a half or something. I thought I was going to spend the market. Wow. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. See,
Why?
If that's the thing you do,
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm Rupert.
Diego.
Aw, cute dog.
I find it that fun. You got really lucky to get a job in Montreal, I think.
Probably just the process.
Yeah. Hello, buddy. Please don't ram into me.
Yeah, they're just chilling. Maybe that's why they burn them.
These are really good for clearing undergrowth too.
Hot spot.
Here, I got it.
Hot spot.
Probably a little bit of namaste up here, isn't there?
How's your raincoat?
Too hot. Yeah, I'm taking off, but I'm taking off.
Zach ventures alone into the mountains.
This isn't a glacier stream. This is like a cloud stream, right?
I don't know. Maybe it could just be flowing from the glaciers.
We left a lot of stuff up in the ranger's cabin, right?
We did. What a blessing it was.
It was, truly.
See how well rooted it is.
So we're getting up higher and higher on the trail. We're still not too high up, but you can already see once again the beauty of these mountains, and it's nice to see them in the stormy, clouded weather as well, because it's quite somber and beautiful, very peaceful here.
Yeah, I know. funny that they always just do it in their underwear too. Down there.
Yeah, yeah. I think they're a connected system, maybe. I don't know. It smells nice.
Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything.
You smell? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Rhododendron?
This one.
This one. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Rhododendron, yeah?
That's oh.
You
okay.
have picture.
Oh, it's red hands. Red hands.
Oh, I see.
Ah. And that's in the back.
सक्षम के पर में चलो ऊपर हम बैठेगा स्टे करेगा शांति करेगा
And in the bin here, this is the same.
Yeah.
Is it wine? Downside.
No.
This is upside. Upside here.
Upside.
Okay.
You want to go down?
Thank you. Let's go. Huh?
We could reach that. I mean, do you guys think that's too far away?
We could just go up for the views a bit. And,
Yeah. Let's go up.
And worst case, we go down. Check. That's where they had Shiva and Parvati
So that's where
standing on in the Elephanta
That's where he's
caves.
at right now, you say?
It's a mythical.
I think there's
mountain.
also other real
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and whether because those mountains have temples carved into them and
Mountains
stuff.
somewhere up here.
That might be one of the ones that really big ones you can see. Yeah. Like sadhus living in caves and shit. Yeah.
But still,
I mean, we've encountered a few like walking around, but we haven't found them in the caves yet.
Perched on this mountainside above me is this colorful town. Looks very awesome up there.
When do apples?
I don't know.
Like orchard fruits.
Generally in this part of the
but
world.
that's in Quebec. So.
I know, it might be different too. I don't know. Oh yeah. That's steep.
There's no roads up here, there's only a trail, so imagine all the stuff up here needs to be brought up by individuals.
fast, eh?
Going straight from Rishikesh. They showed me some towers.
So many good settlements.
Yeah. Clip my leg on the rock. Hello. That view.
Oh, they need a telecabin. No?
Huh?
A telecabin.
Oh yeah, line. Walks there. Hello. How are you? Good day. I've just been hiking for a couple hours, I think, and we arrived in Rasol. Gonna find a cafe here and get a bit of drink and food. What are the names of the mountains again?
Gran.
Gran. Gran, the big one?
Shila.
Shila.
Yes.
Shila on the right.
Gran.
Gran, okay.
Green Shila and this Gran.
Okay. And what's your name again?
Aji.
Aji.
Yeah.
Very nice to meet you, bro.
Thank you.
Very nice to meet you.
Yeah, pleasure.
And you grew up your whole life in this village?
Yes.
It's,
I love also mountain.
yeah. What's your favorite hike to check around?
This place.
You go up there?
Much good place. This place is best place.
Best place, the view?
View is best.
The best.
Good best. This way you go this way.
This
Then 1.5 hour.
Okay.
Wow.
Maybe we come back here after we
that'd
do
be good.
Kirganga and we
No.
try that. After.
Oh.
Danger. This place danger place.
No, I know.
Oh,
I mean,
dangerous.
we do trek Kirganga, come back to Kasol, and then come back up to Rasol and we do that.
So then good.
Yeah, not today, I don't think. We have to go back down to Kasol.
Then
Yeah.
come the hole.
Yeah,
Then you
exactly.
tourist yes.
Malana allowed?
But no touch any house. No.
And this is a sacred place here.
Yes. This is secret.
It's for the
Shakti?
Shakti.
for the-
Renuka Mat. Renuka place.
Renuka.
it's a powerful place.
Yes.
It's the mother goddess.
Is it very old?
Yes. Like 200-300 years old. 4 or 5.
Is there an idol inside?
No inside. You go
No, of course,
inside.
no. Yeah.
Alright, so we're leaving this beautiful village. It's still very cloudy and it's getting darker and later in the day, so don't have too much daylight left. As you can hear as well, it's getting pretty windy. But let's try and give you a little 360 tour of the village. We're gonna head back down to Kasol.
It says like people are like, how do you make friends at Kasol? And they're like, just share with us.
We met a friend here. What's your name?
Rohit.
Rohit, nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you, brother.
Beautiful view here.
Yes,
Right.
yes,
Have,
yes.
have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Om Shankar Guest House. Me, I owner here.
Nice to meet you. What's the name of the guest house?
Om Shankar Guest House, brother.
Okay, I'll put it, if I do a video, I'll put you in
Thank
so
you.
everybody sees.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Take care.
On an advertisement for a rave. Like You never see the cross advertised or like. Honestly, you might in some parts. Oh wow, these flowers smell kind. Really, really sweet.
Oh. I think he went to the place where the chill guy was. Om Shankar. I think because that blue guy went to music.
Nearly pitch black now, but we're just about an hour away. So we're just going back, watching our step. We have some lights if we need them, but some amazing trails, just absolutely beautiful hiking. So we're in one of our favorite restaurants here. It's a Tibetan restaurant with amazing chow mein.
Everything you could hope for. Holy, that's fucking good, man. I got some sleep and shit. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for watching the video, everybody. I really appreciate it, and make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed it, because I need more subscribers.
Follow YouTube, subscribe. Okay.
Cheers.
Please follow, like, subscribe, my friend.
Okay, do subscribe, like and share. Guys, it's the best one. Canadian person.
Like, subscribe, and share. Click on. Do like, subscribe, and share this video towards your family, friends, and everything. Go, hit like button.